And let's begin with news coming in of a mystery late-night explosion that was reported in Punjab's Amritsar. Debris of a missile-like object was also found in a field. Now, splinters were found, and this recovery has been late last night after an explosion also was reported. We can't confirm for you the nature of this missile, but there is a forensic analysis that's underway as experts are studying the origin of this mystery projectile. Take a look at this ground report filed by Asim Basi from where that object was found.
ये अमृतसर का गांव जेठूवाल है और जहां पर क्योंकि अमृतसर पूरी रात जो है ब्लैकआउट में रहा और बार बार ये बात आ रही थी कि कुछ धमाके हुए हैं। ये एक पॉइंट ऑफ इंपैक्ट है जहां पर दिखा और यहां पर एक मिसाइल टाइप चीज जो है वो रिकवर की गई। यहां पे एक्सप्लोजन्स हर्ड हुए और पूरी रात जो है ये लोग यहां पर सो नहीं पाए क्योंकि जिस तरह यहां पे एक मिसाइल पाई गई, एक्सप्लोजन्स हुआ और उसके बाद पुलिस ने भी पुष्टि की आज तक से इंडिया टुडे से कि हाँ ये रिकवरी हुई है, लेकिन उसका नेचर क्या है, ये एक्सप्लोसिव कहाँ से आया, वो जो है आर्मी एक्सपर्ट्स वगैरह बताएंगे। लेकिन लोगों से बात करते हैं। हाँ जी, क्या नाम है आपका?
सर मेरा नाम तलविंदर सिंह है।
तलविंदर जी, ये बताइए ब्रीफली कि आपके गांव में रात को क्या हुआ था, धमाका हुआ, क्या हुआ?
सर तकरीबन रात दे 1 बजे से लेकर सवा 1 बजे के बीच में जो कि काफ़ी 2-3 धमाके हुए थे। उसके बाद जहाँ पे ऊपर जो जगह आप दिखा रहे हैं इसके ऊपर काफ़ी चानन हुआ। ते जब सुबह लोगों ने देखा तो पिंड के गांव के जो भी लोग थे उन्होंने देखा भी छोटे छोटे पार्ट जो पड़े हुए हैं लोगों की घरों की छतों में। तो उसके बाद कुछ लोग इधर को बाहर को जब आए उन्होंने देखा भी जहाँ जो जगह है इस पर जो मिसाइल टाइप की चीज पड़ी हुई थी।
तो आप ये बताइए कि ये तो इन्होंने बता दी घटना, डर का माहौल है गांव में उसके बाद रात से?
हाँ, तो सर ऐसा है कि जब 1 से 1:30 बजे के बीच कम से कम 5 धमाके हुए, तो जिससे मतलब जैसे कोई अर्थक्वेक आता है ऐसे सारे घरों के मतलब कांपने लगे। तो ऐसा है कि ठीक सवा 1 बजे मैं अपने घर के टेरेस के ऊपर गया तो मैंने क्या देखा कि वहां पर ना जैसे कोई ग्रेनेड लॉन्चर आ रहा है और उसके ना बीच में भी उसके 4 टुकड़े हो गए। तो उसके जो पार्ट्स है हमारे कम से कम 20-25 घरों के ऊपर उस रॉकेट लॉन्चर के पार्ट जहां पर मिले हैं। तो सुबह से जहां पर बहुत सारा दहशत का माहौल बना हुआ है, मेरी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को, रक्षा मंत्री को, विदेश मंत्री को, पंजाब सरकार को और जितनी भी हमारी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज है हम उनको ये इतला देना चाहते हैं कि देश तो आपके साथ खड़ा ही है, लेकिन जैसे जो हमारे पंजाब में अमृतसर में जो दहशत का माहौल बना हुआ है, मेरी सरकार से बेनती है कि हमारी सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी को मस्ट बनाया जाए और ताकि अगर ये हमला हो जाता तो जहां पर लाशों के ढेर बिछ जाते।
Let's bring in Asim Basi on this broadcast. He's joining us live from Amritsar. We just played out his report for you, where he's spoken to locals as well, who describe exactly what they heard last night. Asim, any details you've been able to pick up on exactly what this object is or the direction that it even came from?
Well, the report you showed was from village Jethuwal, but now the next development is we are in village Makhan Vindi, and you can see the explosive out there in the fields of the village. This is right close to the Jethuwal where the report was shown earlier, but this is the explosive which is right now also lying in the fields of this village. You can see this is a big explosive which is there in the field, and you can see, and the people, we'll talk to the people also. हाँ जी, क्या हुआ था रात को, आपको क्या देखा आपने?
रात को सर 1 बजे ब्लास्ट हुआ, उसके बाद हम घर की छत पे गए। उसके बाद एक के बाद एक 5 ब्लास्ट हुए। जो 5वां ब्लास्ट था ना वो आसमान में बहुत जबरदस्त अग्नि हुई, फायर हुआ।
ये एक्सप्लोसिव कब दिखा आपको? ये
तो अभी पता चला जी, ये तो 9 बजे के करीब पता चला जब वो गांव के लोग बाहर को आए
यहाँ पे।
हाँ बिल्कुल, ये ऐसा पता ही नहीं था कि ये मक्खन।
क्या नाम है बताइए, क्या हुआ था रात को?
सुखचैन सिंह चन्ना। ये जी रात 1:05 ਤੇ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਹੋਏ ਆ। ਇਹ ਇਧਰੋਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਈ ਆ ਕੋਈ, ਰਾਤ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹਵਾਈ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਆ ਕੇ ਡਰਾਉਣ ਆ। ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਲਾਲ ਬੱਤੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਗਦੀ ਚਮਕਾਰੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ।
So you heard the visitors that they heard the blast last night, and you can see this is the big massive explosive which you can see in the fields of Makhan Vindi. This is Makhan Vindi, which is on the Amritsar Pathankot highway, Amritsar Batala highway, and very close is Jethuwal, where also some explosions were recovered by the police this morning. And this is the explosion. Such is the situation. I'll tell you, the Amritsar district was in a total blackout last night, and there were reports that explosions were heard. And now, as India Today reaches ground zero in Jethuwal and in Makhan Vindi village, where you can see the explosives right in the fields, and the people telling and confirming that yes, the explosions were heard and these explosives fell down in these villages. Yeah.
Just explain this to us, Asim. What you've shown us right now in your previous report and now, it seems to be remnants of a missile that's been spread across a certain area. Amritsar, of course, is one of the bordering areas of the Indo-Pak border. But having said that, do we know, Asim, where the explosion took place? Was this an explosion in the air?
Well, there are two things, because last night there was a lot of rumor that explosions are taking place in around Amritsar. There was a total blackout. And today, as we investigated, first of all, a missile type thing was found in the village Jethuwal. But this, you can see now, this is Makhan Mindi village, and this kind of explosion is here. And the villagers are loud and clear that yes, there were huge explosions all over the villages. There were lightings all over the villages. And in the morning in the Jethuwal village, which is in the vicinity of this village only, very close, the police came and picked it up and here. But still, this live thing is still here. You can see. But the best part is the villagers are not feared, but they say that yes, something must be done for the security. They don't have no idea that where it comes from, to whom it belongs. And the administration, the police is not speaking on it. They say they don't know what the nature is and where it came from. But yes, the army will soon take it in its custody and examine that what this explosion is. But the villagers in Amritsar district who have lived in fear last night because of the blackout and the regular explosions are clear that yes, these things happened all over in the Amritsar district last night. Yeah.
Questions about whether this was a Pakistani missile that's been intercepted by India. We don't want to jump to any conclusions, so we'll wait really for what experts have to say. And we understand that there is, in fact, an attempt to ascertain the origin of this missile right now, Asim, that officials are at the spot. The debris, of course, is spread across, so they're picking it up piece by piece to kind of understand where this missile came from.
Yes, exactly. Like in the morning, we went to village Jethuwal where the explosives were there, but the police picked it from there. Now, soon the army and the police came. Recently, the army and the police also came here, and soon they will pick it up from here also and study what exactly it is. We cannot say where it come from, whether it is intercepted or whether it is something else. But yes, this explosives lying in the open fields have clearly left the signs that some things are not well, and definitely the blackouts were where the people lived in fear last night and heard the explosions. Now it is found that in the village Jethuwal and Makhan Mindi is there. But yes, the administration, the police, the army, they will definitely get into task that and get the details of these explosives, that what kind of material it is, what it is, and to whom it belongs. Yeah.
At this point, what we can confirm for you, as Asim is also reporting for us, is that in different parts of Amritsar, there seems to be debris, remnants of what looks like a missile. And you can see that in the footage on our screens. These are remnants of a missile that spread across different villages, bordering villages with Pakistan. Now, there is a suspicion that these could be missiles fired by Pakistan that were intercepted by India, because late last night, villagers also spoke about how they heard this loud explosion. There's been no damage reported. I'll just get that confirmation also from Asim. Looking at this footage, Asim, it looks like empty fields is where this debris has been found. So no damage, yes, or no reports of any casualties or injuries?
No, definitely not, because in Jethuwal also there was an empty missile, and in Makhan Mindi also. This is the material. But yes, the people here have confirmed that explosions, but fortunately there is no loss of life, no casualty, no injuries. But the villagers confirmed that they heard it very loud and very clear. But fortunately, these things hit in open fields and not in any houses. But yes, some villagers told us in Jethuwal that yes, some splinters were seen on the rooftops, some parts were seen on the rooftops. But fortunately, there is no injury, no casualty to anyone. But explosions happened. To whom they belong, the experts or the defense experts have to confirm it, because the police and the army is mum over here. Yeah.
His reasons. At this point, it's a very sensitive time. They'll want a detailed investigation before issuing any formal statement. But in different parts of Amritsar, you see these remnants, what looks like a missile, and you can see parts of it spread across white residue circuits. You can see the tip of the missile in one part, the end in another location. You can see villagers have gathered all around. Asim, if you could continue to speak to some of those locals there, to describe to us what exactly it is that they saw last night, what exactly it is that they heard last night.
आप जल्दी से बता दीजिए अभी आप लोगों ने क्या देखा, रात को हुआ क्या था, आपका नाम बताइए पहले जल्दी।
मैंने 2 बार
यहाँ पे बताइए जल्दी आप।
इंग्लिश में बोलना, इंग्लिश।
हिंदी बोलिए। मैं
ओके मैंने क्या देखा कि ठीक 1 से 1:30 बजे के बीच 5 ब्लास्ट हुए। तो ब्लास्ट इतने ज्यादा खतरनाक थे कि जैसे घर के जो दरवाजे थे सारा घर कांपने लगे। मेरा गांव का नाम जेठूवाल है और पास ही गांव है मक्खन मंडी, जहां पर जो रॉकेट लॉन्चर मिले हैं, तो जो रॉकेट लॉन्चर के जो टुकड़े हैं वो लोगों की छत के ऊपर मिले हैं और पूरा दहशत का जहां पर माहौल बना हुआ है।
तो लोगों में बिल्कुल दहशत है, इसके बाद
पूरी दहशत है। और इंडिया डिफेंस ने बहुत अच्छा किया जो इस रॉकेट को ऊपर ही मार दिया। अगर हमारे पास अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी ना होती तो ये हमला हो जाना था, तो बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान होता।
So you heard the villagers that what they say, that definitely there was huge explosion and whatever has happened, that it is being thrown out in the village. It did not hit any house. Otherwise, it would have led to some casualty or any kind of seriousness. But it is shocking that in all around in Amritsar, which is a border district, despite of the level of alertness, this all is being seen that. Amid, because you can see through this that what kind of tension is between India and Pakistan. And next Jethuwal village, we saw the entire explosive lying in the villages, and now this kind of explosive lying in the field. So whatever the rumors were last night, the explosions were taking place in Amritsar were reality, and you can see through the camera that what kind of an explosion had happened here, and the people are up since 1:30 a.m. when this entire thing happened in these border villages of Amritsar. Yeah.
So 1 a.m. is when, in fact, they heard this loud explosion. We're going to await a detailed statement from officials, from authorities on what happened. Asim Basi getting us the ground report, voices from residents on what they saw. These are the remnants found there. Obviously, when you look into it, a detailed investigation just from the make of the missile will tell us where this really came from. But there is a suspicion that this is a Pakistani missile intercepted by India, and that's what ensured that missile was immediately brought down. It's led to essentially splinters being found all across. Asim, I'm going to thank you for the moment. We will continue tracking the latest that emerges on those remnants, the debris that's been found in parts of Amritsar.